Hello guys, in the previous section we talked about what kind of application we are going to build and as well as what kind of technologies that we are going to use. In this section there are two lectures. One is for tools that you guys need and the other one is basics of Git. In this video I'm going to talk about what kind of tools you guys need. First, you need Node.js. You have to install Node.js on your computer. So there are two versions of Node.js. One is mature and dependable, and the other one is the latest. And it's better to click mature and dependable because it has been maintained and it has been tested. While the other one is more like you could have new features you could use, but for the sake of clarity, just pick mature and dependable. Click on it and wait for it to be downloaded. For me, I already have it, so I'm gonna cancel it. Alright, so next is you need a text editor. You can either choose Atom or a Sublime, but for me specifically, I'm going to use Atom because it is nice and it is amazing and fast, and it is built using Node.js and Python. If you want to use this text editor, simply click the download and wait for the download to be finished. So go ahead and click download for Mac. If you have Windows, you can download for Windows. And for me, I already have it, so I'm going to cancel it. And but if you have, if you prefer to use Sublime or WebStorm, it's fine. As long as you have a text editor you're comfortable with, everything is okay. So next is Git. You need to install Git to save the states of your web application, and you need GitHub to save your codes to a repository. Every developer should learn how to use Git because in the real world, if you decide to work with other developer, you don't want to keep transferring your codes to a pen drive and give it to them. That is very inefficient. With Git, everything will be smooth and very efficient. Soon you know what I'm talking about. So if you haven't downloaded yet, go ahead and download it. If you are on Mac, press Mac. And you're waiting for the download to finish. Download is starting, so you can wait, or you can click this if it's not downloading. We'll go to a SourceForge and you can install it. You can wait for a few seconds. And there you have it installed. For me, I already have it, so I don't need to install it. So I'm going to cancel it. Next is GitHub. You need to sign up for GitHub if you don't have an account. Go ahead and sign up. Pause this video and sign up, and let's continue later on. Next is you need a terminal. Alright. If you cannot find your terminal down on the menu bar, you could always go to Finder and you can click Go and Utilities, and you can scroll down and there you have it, terminal. Double click on it, or if you want to save it, you can just drag this here, but for me I already have it, so I don't need. You can just drag it if you want to save it. The last tool that you need is a MongoDB account. It is a cloud database for MongoDB. You can run MongoDB on your local host machine, but it's better to run it on the cloud because first, it is much simpler and you don't need to waste your time installing MongoDB and probably get stuck because of some unknown error. With MongoDB, everything is much simpler. Go ahead and sign up for MongoDB. So click sign up. You wait for a while and enter your account name, username, email, password, and you gotta click this and you gotta scroll down to the bottom. Then you can click this I accept. Alright, for me I already have it, but for you guys, go ahead and create your own account, and that's about it. So again, stay healthy and happy coding. See you guys soon. Bye.